Hello everyone, this is Shanghai Yiyou&Hongyouxing machine manufacturer, and now today I'm going to take a video showing our factory. Here is our workshop. We are a thermoforming machine manufacturer, and we are making 3-station machine and cup machine, vacuum forming machine, also textured vacuum forming machine. This is the mold. This worker is printing now. This is our 3-station machine. This machine is ready shipped to Uzbekistan. This is a small machine. All this mold is PT foot box mold. This is the forming mold. And this is the cutting mold. You can see knife here. This is the upper mold. This machine is finished. We are running empty machine to test the fraction, to check if everything is okay. Here is our machining workshop. This is another workshop. As you can see, this is a big machine we call the textured vacuum forming machine. This is used to producing the stick material. You can see. Very heavy product. This is a heating furnace for 3-station machine. That's it. Here is a machine body welding workshop. Right now we're making one full automatic vacuum forming machine. This machine integrated forming and cutting in same machine. Oh, 给你3个镜。We are big factory and we are professional manufacturer for some machine. So if you choose our as a supplier, your machine will be very good. We are big factory, so don't worry about our ability. This is the machine frame. This is the cup making machine. This is a rope arm.
我上面做质地，直接往里面抻，做成这样。我也要做这样一个臂。
这是在 cup mold， 就是我要这一排，前后是可以移动的，可以调的。
那你我这个仪表，我只能做成死的，因为你这个椅的空间，但是你会增高。你这台都不用，你这台就高高。
This one is almost finished, and now we are testing the mold before we send the machine to our customer. This product is for medical use. For this product. Okay, so this is our factory. We hope you can choose us as your machine supplier, and I promise you, your machine will be our first quality, and your business and your money will be safety with us. So don't worry about us. If you have any interesting, you can feel free to contact us. Right now, maybe you cannot come to China due to the COVID, but I hope this video can make you clear about us, and I hope you can trust us. We are a big factory, and we are professional manufacturer. So if you choose us as your supplier, and I believe you will very, very happy about our machine. And I believe our machine can produce the product you want. And I hope our machine can create more profit to you. Okay, bye-bye.